In this video we are going to talk about terrible-claw lobster found in seas of the Philippines. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. We have no idea why this lobster has such a large and unusual claw, and making accurate guesses without more information is tough. This is a monster that does more than just live up to its name. It is a living example of everything it is supposed to be. A lobster known as Ausubel strong claws lobster can be found in the Pacific Northwest. The lobster with the massive claw is deafeningly. It was discovered more than 250 meters beneath the Earth's surface in the Luzon region of the Philippines, the country's largest island and capital. Despite the fact that this brightly colored deep-sea crustacean's body is only 31 millimeters long, it appears to be rather frightening. Aside from that, it's entirely and utterly silent. Regardless, this lobster can brandish an incredibly long and heavily toothed tentacle, which is a significant improvement over the existing scenario. Ron Odor, a senior scientist with the Census of Marine Life, told NPR's Claire O'Neill that no one had ever seen a lobster with claws that were so different from one another before. The claws of lobsters that we eat usually come in two sizes, according to the author of this book, a large claw and a little claw. Australian lobsters, unlike other lobsters, have a toothy claw and are delicious. Despite the fact that Ausubel's tremendous claws lobster has the most unusual claws of any lobster, it is not distinguished from other lobsters in terms of claw shape or size. Sharks in Australian seas that are closely related to the tiger shark have a single extended toothy claw and a similar look to the tiger shark. It can only be found in Townsville, Queensland, in the Coral Sea, and is listed as a threatened species under international law. Only this region is home to the Australian pincer lobster, which was discovered in 1988 and named after its discoverer. Because all three of these species are incredibly rare, only 4 specimens of the Australian species have ever been discovered. No one knows what these creatures' claws are employed for in their respective habitats, and no one has ever been able to figure it out until now. The Rugose squat lobster of the Northeast Atlantic and Mediterranean, for example, uses its huge claws to punch holes in the flesh of other male lobster species present in the same area, and it's likely that they're being employed in lovers' combat. In some species, such as the fiddler crab, which is famed for its large claws, they are thought to have a function in body temperature control. Other species, such as humans, could employ them as a defense strategy. Regardless of what they are supposed to perform, they are simply gorgeous to look at. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.